Hi guys, this is Varsha here. Welcome to Learn with Varsha. Today I'm going to discuss about modern theories of management. In previous classes we are already discussed classical theory and neoclassical theory. So today what is modern theories of management? What is modern theories of management? Modern theory means it's the studies of entire organization or whole organization. It is considered as an open system. So it is having subparts interacting with each other. So MOT means it's having a number of features which differentiate from early organizational theories. So first one is system approach. What is system approach? System approach means the entire organization or whole organization represent a complex collection of various components that working together to reach a common goal. The study of a firm, or it is a totality of the men and material resources of the organization, can be organized to realize the firm's overall objectives as efficiently as much as possible. So, it is based upon the idea that behavior is influenced by a variety of factors that working together as a system. So, hope you can understand what is system approach of management. So, it includes open system and closed. What is open system? Under system approach to management, the organization is considered as an open system. So, it influenced by internal and external factors. Some extent we can control or we can predictable what is happening inside the organization. But in the external environment, we cannot predict that much easily. So, that is unpredictable. So, these factors are result to dynamic relationship. Dynamic relationship means it keeps on changing with the changes that takes place in the environment. So we cannot predict that much easily. So it constantly changing a span of time. For example, see, McDonald's has to change its menu to serve and emerge as a major fast food chain in the Indian market. This is a simple example. So this theory to management because it aims at achieving the objectives and it views administration as an open system. So, the Chester Bernard was the first person to apply the system approach in the field of management. So, this is an important question. Maybe in UGC NET exam, they will ask who is the first person to apply the system approach in the field of management. The answer is Chester Bernard. So, please read it twice or thrice so you can easily memorize it. So, these topics are very important. Then closed system. What is closed system? It is a internal subunits of the organization. It do not interact with the external environment. Simply, it does not allow inputs of any matter, any resources, maybe ideas or information from its surroundings. It is not a subject to any force whose source is from external to the system. For simple example, you know the assembly line, right? So, an assembly line is a closed system because the day-to-day activities that taking place are not dependent to others or not dependent or influenced by external forces such as whether other assembly lines are doing or interacting between mid-level or executive level management. So this is a simple example of closed system in system approach. Then one more thing, there are three types of closed system model. As a classical perspective, it is a scientific management, administrative management, and bureaucratic management. So, hope you guys understand what it is. So, this is a very important topic for you guys. This is an inclusive of syllabus. So, please read it twice or thrice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.